In this video, we'll explore how you can customize your MindTap course. I am within my MindTap course and I've navigated to the middle unit view of my content. This gives a listing of all of the MindTap content for the course. Notice that when you place your cursor over top of any item, you're given two icons. The pencil icon allows you to edit the item, and then you have a hide icon where you can hide the content and make it not visible to your students. Your editing capabilities will vary depending on the type of item that you're editing. For instance, at the folder level, I can change the name of the folder as well as change its location in the order of content. If you choose to hide an item, it will be grayed out and invisible to students, but it's still accessible to you as the instructor. If you'd like to make the content visible again, simply place your cursor back over top of the item and click on the eye icon to make it visible. You can also modify and/or hide content within each individual part. For instance, you can hide entire chapters, or I can hide specific activities within a chapter. In addition to hiding content, you can also change options on specific MindTap activities. For instance, if I'd like to change the options on this problem set, I can click on my pencil icon and click the Edit Options button. This would allow you to change the title of the activity, change whether it counts toward the student's grade, set a time limit, and change the grading options. When finished, you can click Save to save any changes that you've made. To demonstrate, I'm going to deselect Counts Toward Grade, click Save, and then click Save again. And you'll notice that the orange indicator that says Counts Toward Grade has now been changed to say Practice. You can also modify the eBook for your students. To do so, simply click on the eBook reading for a specific chapter. This will open up this chapter's eBook at the table of contents. You can use the quick links to jump to a specific section within the book, or you can use the navigational arrows on the side to move from section to section. If you'd like to annotate the eBook for your students, you can do so by clicking and dragging over the relevant text on the page. When you lift up on your cursor, you'll notice that you're given a menu. If you'd like to highlight text and have that show to your students, you can click on the orange color with the arrow. This will share the highlight with your students. You can also make notes within the eBook and share those with your students as well. To do so, again, click and drag over the relevant text on the page, and then choose Add Note from your menu. Here you can type your note and click the checkbox next to share that with your students. In students' versions of the eBook, they will not only see your highlight and note on the page, but it will also be tracked for your students in the Study Hub icon that's located on the right-hand side of the page. You can also add in additional content into the eBook by clicking on the pencil icon in the top left-hand corner. This opens up an edit mode, and you'll notice that plus mark icons are now loaded on the page. You can add in your own content anywhere where you see a plus mark icon. Once you click the plus, this will give you the list of different types of activities that you could add into the eBook, including a link out to a blog feed, a YouTube video, link out to an external website. You can pull in Questia content such as research information or scholarly journal articles, or you can pull in any of your own content, including any items that you can add into a Google Drive, as well as your own multimedia content such as videos, audio files, or images. To exit the eBook, I'm going to click on the X icon in the top right-hand corner, and that will return me to the learning path. You can also add in your own content into the learning path by clicking the plus icon that's listed toward the top of the page. You can choose to create a new folder or add in an activity. Similar to the eBook, you'll be given a list of different types of activities that you can add in to the learning path. Please note that you do have some additional options here, including adding in an insight assignment.